What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Sarah from Sarah's Styles here, where data empowers true potential and I show you the power of your numbers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your free eBay supplies when you have an eBay store. And one trick to make sure that you never forget how to find it. So stay tuned. All right, guys, let's hop right in. So if you have an eBay store, which I would recommend once you're past those free listings that eBay gives you, I would recommend getting a store. You get discounts, you get access to data and lots of tools that you can use. I share a lot of that stuff on this channel, as well as ways to look at your data and empower yourself to make the money that you can make. But in today's video, I am talking about how to get your free shipping supplies. So if you do have a store, you get a shipping discount on eBay. You get a code to have free supplies, eBay supplies. They are going to have eBay stuff on it, but it's free supplies, and it's essentially the amount that you pay for a store. So yes, you're paying for a store, but you're getting supplies back for that. And so if you have a eBay store, you would come to My eBay. So up here on the right, you would do My eBay, and then there's going to be a managed store, and then you're going to click on subscriber discounts. And then when you come down here, you can see the first one is going to be eBay shipping supplies. You click on that. And I've already redeemed. You get one every single quarter. I've already redeemed mine, but if you have not redeemed yours, it will give you a coupon code there. Copy that, and then you can start shopping. And you can come in here and get all of the eBay supplies that you would want. It's really awesome. They have tape. They have these really cool stickers, thanks for supporting my small business, boxes, poly mailers. So I sell mainly women's clothing, shoes, and purses. So I typically will get tape and poly mailers because those are things that I have to buy outside of using the USPS free shipping. USPS priority mail, I will use those for anything that is priority mail, but for free first class, I have to put them into a poly mailer. So I get my free poly mailers with them. If I have some money left over, I'll get, some of these eBay stickers. Thanks for supporting my small business. They have, the recycled packaging stickers now as well. Some really cool options in here. And one trick to make sure that you would never forget where this is, because it is only every quarter, if you come up and you hit your bookmarks, save this to your bookmarks. I have an eBay folder. You can see I have an eBay folder up here. Lots of places that I like to go. I like to go quickly, or I don't go too often enough that I'm going to forget. I will set it as a bookmark. And so the next time I want to go there, I can just quickly hit that link as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification so you get notified when I have other content coming out. I am a reseller on eBay and Poshmark, and so I talk about tips and tricks on how to sell there, as well as being able to look at your data and really truly be able to understand your numbers so that you can grow your business and make the money that you would like to make. So hit that subscribe button, smash that like button on your way out, save this video for future reference, as well as sharing it with other eBayers that you think would like it. If there's things that you would like to see, drop them in the notes down below. Let me know, or other questions that you have. And I hope you guys have a great day and many, many sales.